In this video, we're going to use activity-based costing techniques to allocate the cost of delivery to customers. Marvin's Kitchen Supply delivers restaurant supplies throughout the city. The firm adds 10% to the cost of each order to cover delivery costs. A consultant has been hired to evaluate Marvin's current use of allocating delivery costs based on sales revenue. The consultant uses activity-based costing methods to identify 4 cost pools and 4 potential cost drivers. Data on these costs and activities appear below. First, we're going to calculate the cost of delivering to both City Diner and Lachine Shad under our current policy of allocating 10% of order value. For City Diner, the cost will be $7,500, which is the $75,000 sales revenue multiplied by 10%. For Lachine Shad, which is the hot dog, we have $9,000. Again, this isn't the actual cost. This is simply our allocated cost for reporting purposes. In Part B, we're using the 4 cost pools and 4 cost drivers using activity-based costing to allocate the cost of delivery to the various customers. We take our total cost pool of $578,000 and we break it down into 4 individual cost pools. One cost pool is related to order processing, which we'll allocate on the number of orders. We have the cost of loading trucks, which we allocate on the basis on the number of items. The cost of delivering merchandise, which again is based on the number of orders. Notice there's really no reason for separating out both of these cost pools, as both use number of orders for the allocation base. And finally, the cost of processing invoices, which we allocate on the number of invoices. We calculate our activity rate by taking our total cost and dividing it by the cost driver. So $110,000 divided by 5,000 gives us $22 per order. $225,000 for loading the truck divided by 100,000 items gives us $225 per item for loading trucks. We have $27 per order for the delivering of merchandise and $24 per processing of an invoice. Next, we're going to calculate the cost allocated to both City Diner and Lachine Shad. For City Diner, we'll take the 52 orders and multiply it by the $22 per order activity rate. For loading the truck, we take our activity rate of $2.25, multiply it by 600 items, and get $1,350. For delivering merchandise, we allocate $1,404 by taking the $27 cost per order, multiplying it by 52 orders. For processing invoices, we'll take the 12 invoices and multiply it by $24 per invoice, for a total estimated or reported cost for delivering to City Diner of $4,186. For Lachine Shad, we repeat the process. We have ordering cost of $2,420. We have cost of delivery or loading the truck loading of $3,375. We have delivering merchandise costs of $2,970, and we have costs related to processing invoices of $3,600 for a total of $12,365. And we can notice the change in allocation of cost when we change our cost allocation methods.